Hey Doug, Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And the first thing that I see here is that it's really good that whoever made this has these call to action buttons, this form to fill out. My favorite is probably this graphic here. That's super fun. But these call to actions really help with conversions, so it's awesome that they put those throughout. But something I am noticing is that you want to double and almost triple the content that's on your website here. And the reason is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling 24/7. And they are looking at the content and seeing what keywords are embedded within that content. And so to be considered an authority, you want at least 1,500 words on your site with those keywords embedded in that content. So an example of a keyword would be this Foundation Repair OKC. And so this is something that people are searching every month. And so what populates whenever we search that, the first thing are some ads here. And in this section here, this is called the Google Map Pack. And you are on the top 3. So that is super good. You want to stay in the top 3 because 30 to 40% of business goes here, and the way to maintain that is making sure you have more citations, photos, and 5-star reviews than these other people here. And then you also want to make sure that not only are you in the top 3 for this keyword, you'd want to go through other keywords as well. But if we scroll down here, so here, we're going to skip this section. A lot of people don't click on the top 10, but this section down here is what's called the organic listing. And I did not see you here on the first page. A lot of people don't scroll down, let alone click past the first page. And so you want to be in the top 3 here as well. And so how you do that, it is your website. And so the top one here is Level Up Foundation Repair. So let's take a look at their website. And they also have those call to actions. They do not have enough content either. So let's see why they're ranking so high. So I plugged in their website here into something called Ahrefs, and it's going to show us some ratings from Google. So UR and DR, that's trustworthiness and power. And they're rating 24 and 1.9. Backlinks make up this number here, and backlinks come from referring domains. And a backlink is just a shout out from another website to yours, but not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that you're getting good quality backlinks to raise these numbers and not spammy ones, which would lower them. So let's take a look and compare your site to 24, 1.9, organic keywords, over 1,000. So your site here, there is a 1 UR, 25 DR, so you are higher here. And it's saying no backlink data, no referring domains data, and 1 organic keyword. So something that we'd want to do is we'd want to have backlinks directed to your URL. And we want to raise specifically this number here. And we definitely want more keywords on your site. You're getting traffic from this keyword here. Actually, it's saying no traffic. Let's see, Level Foundation organic keywords here. So some of their traffic and some of the keywords on their site that it's directing traffic to them are Foundation Repair OKC, has 450 people searching a month. 450, 400, 350, 150, and it just keeps going. There's going to be different keywords for different services that you provide and different service locations that you service. And so what you'd want to do is you want to have some more content on your website and then have more backlinks linking to your website so that you can rank higher on the list, on the organic search, and then you just want to maintain your Google My Business profile listing high, and that way you'd get more eyes on your website, which would convert into more customers for you, And if you ever need any help with this, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.